Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. This is Muhammad Asaduzzaman with you. In this special video, I am going to talk with you a very important hadith of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now, this is the time for me to recite the very hadith, and after that, I will give you the very its translation at the page of English and Bangla. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa an Abi Musa al-Ash'ari radiyallahu ta'ala anhu qala qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam ut'imul jai'a wa udul marida wa fukul ani rawahul Bukhari. And in this time I am going to translate it into Bangla. Hazrat Abu Musa al-Ash'ari radiyallahu ta'ala anhu হতে বর্ণিত, তিনি বলেন রাসূল সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম বলেছেন, ক্ষুধার্ত ব্যক্তিকে খাবার দাও, অসুস্থ ব্যক্তিকে দেখতে যাও এবং যারা কারাবন্দী তাদের মুক্ত করে দাও. And this time I will translate it into English. And this hadith is totally opted by Hazrat Musa al-Ash'ari radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He also said that the very Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that means the very Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, has also said, give the food to the very hunger and try the best for meeting the very ill or dying person, and give the freedom to the second person, Rawahul Bukhari. And I have also mentioned this hadith for your advice. You can try the best for obeying by these rules and regulations. There are also 3 rules and regulations for a Muslim beings. You have to obey them. Okay, now this is the time for me to stop here this video, and before stopping myself, I am totally urging to all of you, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your near and dear ones. Okay, Allah Hafiz.